Two shocking cases of corporal punishment. In Akhilesh's UP, a class 9 student fractured his hand after his teacher mercilessly thrashed him for not following instructions in class. And in Jammu and Kashmir, two students became victims of their teacher's rage for talking in class. When will the state governments wake up and take action against such atrocities?
These wounds are a testimony of the cruelty their student must have gone through. A class 9 student, this boy was allegedly thrashed by his teacher in Bijnor for not abiding by his instructions, to the extent that the student's hand was fractured.
मैंने कंप्यूटर में दूसरा उसमें खुल गया इसलिए मेरी पिटाई करी सर ये हाथ तोड़ दिया और पैर में चोट है.
But the brutality doesn't end there. In Kishtwar, two boys were allegedly beaten by the teacher for almost 2 hours. Their crime? Both of them were found talking in the class during the class hours.
हमें इजाज सर ने मारा, वो हमें रोज मारता है, हमें 2.5 घंटे मारा कमरे में बंद रख करके.
Such incidents of corporal punishment are quite common in rural and far-flung areas. But the biggest tragedy is that they draw attention only when someone lands in hospital. Here in this particular case, the student continued to suffer for months together. They broke their silence only when things turned from bad to worse.
2 states, 2 schools, and 2 horror stories. Does anybody care about these students? How long before the tormentor teachers are brought to justice? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Well, a crucial hearing in the Arushi Hemraj double murder case. A former top cop deposed in the trial court. KK Gautam had helped the Noida police find Hemraj's body when he was believed to be absconding. Gautam's deposition has added a new twist to the 4-year-old case.
The long trial into the murder of teenager Arushi Talwar has entered a decisive phase. Today, a key witness deposed in the trial court. Former Noida DSP KK Gautam, who had allegedly gone to the Talwar's house a day after Arushi was murdered when their domestic help Hemraj was believed to be absconding.
एसपी सिटी को फ़ोन करके बुलाया गया, वो फिर आए, फिर ऊपर छत का ताला तोड़ा SHO 20 ने और हम सब लोग छत पर गए और हेमराज उसकी बॉडी छत पर मिली.
Gautam's deposition falls in line with the CBI's claims in its closure report.
KK Gautam has more or less supported what the CBI has said in its closure report, that the crime scene has been tampered with and an attempt was made to confuse the investigating officers.
CBI's closure report claimed that the crime was committed within the house without any outsider's entry.
He has said कि उसको सुशील चौधरी ने फ़ोन किया था और बाद में नेक्स्ट डे वो उनको इनके घर लेके गया था जहां उसने डॉक्टर दिनेश तलवार से इसको मिलवाया था और वहां पे डॉक्टर दिनेश तलवार ने ये कहा था कि आप ऊपर का छत का ताला खुलवा दीजिए.
The Talwars have maintained that Hemraj was not around when they woke up to find that Arushi had been murdered.
दिनेश तलवार ने उनको लीड नहीं किया था, वो खुद ऊपर गए थे. दिनेश तलवार ने ये जरूर दिखाया था कि ये ताला बंद है इस और उस पर वहाँ लॉक के ऊपर जो है ब्लड स्टेन्स थे, तो इनसे कहा गया कि आप इसे खोलिए.
Gautam's deposition could well be a turning point in the trial that has seen several twists and turns. With Bhautosh in Delhi, Ritika Dange for Times Now.